Mikey Baba. Mikey Baba. Hi guys. I just want to show you my dogs. I have two dogs. Here we go. His name is Mikey. It's kind of, I need to cut his hair though. It's very winter here. I live in Utah. Right here. Hi baby, that's Mikey. And there's my other dog here. Hi Baba. Baba, come here. Baba. He's kind of shy though. He's under the chair. He doesn't like to see the video. Hi Baba. Come here. Come on. Come on baby. Come on. You want to see Baba? Mikey, come here. Want to play? So right now, the weather right now is snowing. Look at that. It's not that. No, you stay there, Mikey. That's my dog now. Hello. Hi, Mikey. Are you hungry? You want some treats? How about you, Baba? You want some treats? Come on, Baba. Where are you? Baba. Come here. You want some treats, baby? No? Anyway, these are my cute dogs. Right now I'm watching one of the, like a TV show in the Philippines. Hey Baba, Mikey, come here. You want to go look in the camera, baby? Want to say hi? Mikey. Alright guys. So I just want to show you, these are my dogs. Looks like they're pretty cute. I'm going to take more video next time. Alright, bye.